That's incredible. Well done, Debbie. That's
that
like,
never happens.
that's restraint.
I spent the whole day in the office.
Oh, so it was not that busy then?
Well,
Alright, a lot of paperwork.
a lot, yeah.
Ruth was telling me about it. Just non-stop. Nice. My visiting. Oh. Is that?
I don't want to open them both, but I don't know which one you're going to like the best.
What is it? I mean, what are they?
Wait, I'm going to get out my phone and I'm going to get some pictures because
It was the one that you showed me last time. Up there.
that one's still up there.
I was still there.
It's not very strong.
Alright.
It ain't going to knock you out.
It's not sweet.
No, but wine isn't sweet. Too much for you.
I mean, I need syrup.
It's not supposed to be sweet. Wine.
Okay. It's really cool. Ooh.
He's gone out for his dinner, Debbie's.
Oh, right, that's fine then.
Where does it actually live?
Malcolm, where's he lived? Quite far down, almost England,
Ah, right.
on
I
the
see.
west coast. Oh, where did that go? I didn't have enough of this kind of stuff in here. Fire went
I had a
out.
feeling, Annie, that you said last time you weren't eating a lot of sweet stuff. Is that right?
Try not to, but it doesn't mean that I don't eat.
Well, it's fruit salads. There you go.
Okay, very
You'll
good.
probably get fed cake wherever we're going later. I don't know. Oh, it's very smoky in here, Guy.
It's very nice. It's really nice.
It's going to be so tasty.
How did you make it?
You just ginger and honey and water. That's
it? Oh, right. So how long do you have to leave it like this?
So this is what you call a plant, a ginger beer plant. So then you take some of this out as though it was almost diluting juice, and then you put it in one of those big bottles, and you add water, honey, and a bit more ginger, and then it turns the whole thing fizzy. There's chilies in there.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. Chilies. How am I going to do this then?
Just a little bit.
Trying to not get bits of chili and all sorts in it.
Yeah.
Just something for the flavour.
Just see. Because I do not want to fall asleep during the meeting tonight.
No, that.
Wine cellar. Behind the TV. Very good. Ooh. Very good.
You'll feel that heat now.
Yes. So much so. How long does this heat last?
Well, we just keep putting logs on till bedtime. Actually, if I set it up well, and we put a fire on about 5:30, and whatever I put in there, it's all the way to the top of wood, but if I set the thing right, it'll burn away and it's still hot when we go to bed.
That's good.
And just about there on the fan, and it turns the heat into electric,
Oh,
so that's what's spinning the fan.
all right. I thought it was just the warmth, the air does that.
No,
It's not. It's so scientific. It's a science.
Where did they make this? Probably made it in China, no doubt. So that's the plate in there, but that one stopped working.
All right.
So this one is going to go in there
Okay.
and sort it.
Are you gonna fix it?
I will fix it, yeah. That one kind of fits a bit better in this gap.
The more, the better. I mean, the smaller, the better. The size
I don't know if
matters.
it matters. It's
I
just
see.
kind of neater. That one, if it gets too fast and rocks about, it makes a rattly noise, but this one doesn't make any noise.
It's on the coffee table.
Yeah, Gary found them.
Well done, Gary.
Thank you, Debbie. Right, I'll shut the door while we're eating.
Yeah.
There's a bit more. There's some cheese on it, but if you want.
Homemade fruit salad. Oh, you got. What do you have in there? Scramble.
Yeah, from the freezer.
Did I tell you Vice got pregnant?
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, the third child is gonna come soon.
Wow.
Yeah,
How much do you want, Annie?
that's it.
Hi, Helen.
They offer, I think I drank 4 cups of tea. When I arrived, cup of tea. Before dinner, cup of tea.
You could have had that here.
Yeah, oh really?
Yeah.
Do you drink a lot of tea?
No, I don't drink tea, neither does Gary, but
Yeah.
I have tea for
Yeah.
visitors.
And then after dinner, want a tea. Yeah. And then a while later, do you want another cup of tea?